Hi everyone, my name is Brad Stamm from the Stamm Law Firm. Today I want to talk to you about the Basic Three in legal estate planning. The Basic Three is a term that we created many years ago for three documents that are extremely important to everybody in this world. Today we're going to specifically talk about the Health Care Proxy. The Basic Three is the will, power of attorney, and Health Care Proxy. The Health Care Proxy is an extremely important living document. It's a document that helps you while you're alive, although you might be incapacitated. If you are in an accident and you are in the hospital or some healthcare facility and you cannot communicate to your loved ones or to the doctors or nurses and you can't express your wishes, you need to have a healthcare proxy in place so that your healthcare proxy agent can communicate to the doctors and the nurses in the hospital what your wishes are as far as care to you. If you don't have a healthcare proxy, unfortunately, even if it's your spouse or your children or other family members that are there in the hospital with you, they can't make decisions because they're not legally authorized. And it's a sad situation when that occurs, because even though the doctors and the nurses will talk to you to keep you updated naturally, they don't have to listen to any of the things you say in terms of the kind of care your loved one would want. That's why the healthcare proxy is such an extremely important document. It is signed by the person, and the person is basically saying, I want you, so-and-so, to be my healthcare proxy agent. So if I can't communicate, you can act in my place. And in this document, you will list all of the things you want done or don't want done. Some people like antibiotic medication, others don't. Some people like this particular treatment, others don't. And some people want to be kept alive on a machine if there's a chance for recovery, and others don't. Very, very life-altering decisions. And that is why when you name your healthcare proxy, you will list all these things, so your proxy will have a roadmap, a guide as to what you want if you are ever in a situation where you cannot communicate with your doctors or physicians and tell them what you want. It's important while you're alive, obviously. When you pass away, that's when the will takes over, and we're going to talk about that in a few minutes.